What if your workspace could actually help you feel more balanced and focused? I'm revealing 3 simple adjustments that will transform your home office into a sanctuary. Moms, I get it. Juggling work and family leaves zero room for a chaotic workspace. You're constantly fighting distractions, and your creative energy is zapped before you even start. But what if I told you, your workspace is the key to unlocking your focus and sparking your inspiration? It's not just about the work, it's about how you feel while you work. Most advice focuses on huge overhauls, but the biggest impact comes from small shifts. You don't need a complete renovation, just a new way of thinking about your space. Trying to force productivity in a distracting environment is like trying to run a marathon in quicksand. It's exhausting, and you'll burn out fast. So, here's your immediate action. First, establish a zone. Even a corner is enough. Then, define it with good lighting and a few inspiring objects. It's your sanctuary. Next, eliminate the biggest distraction, clutter. A clear desk equals a clear mind. It's amazing what a few minutes of tidying can do for your mental clarity. Finally, incorporate elements that spark joy and creativity. Think plants, a favorite mug, or inspiring quotes. It's about making it a place you actually want to be. These simple changes lay the groundwork for a workspace that boosts your focus. But there's a bigger system to use. If you're ready to transform your home office into a productivity powerhouse, hit subscribe. Let's create a workspace that you and your family love.